This website is insanely simple, yet it brings in millions of visitors and hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month. And guess what? I'm about to show you how to build something just like it, without any technical skills, using completely free AI tools. To make it even more interesting, I'll challenge myself to build it using just one prompt. This website, I Love PDF, does something super simple. It helps you merge PDFs, split them, compress them, and convert them into different formats. Here's the kicker. According to SimilarWeb, I Love PDF gets a whopping 240 million visitors every month. That's right, 240 million people coming to this website to do basic PDF tasks. And you can bet, with that kind of traffic, this site is pulling in some serious money. Now, if you look at I Love PDF, it's packed with tools. Merge PDFs, split them, compress, rotate, convert to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and even image to PDF. Some of these features might need external APIs or a more complex backend setup. And since I'm trying to build this using just one AI prompt, I need to figure out which ones are actually possible without a backend. So let's ask ChatGPT, which of these PDF tools can be built without a backend? And it turns out, quite a few of them are possible using just front-end logic and browser-based libraries. From the list, I picked the most in-demand features: split PDF, merge PDF, and image to PDF. So, let's head back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a full prompt that can build a working site with these three features. And here's what it gave me. I just copy it, and we're ready to build. Now, we'll use this super simple AI tool called Bolt.new. It's a no-code platform that lets us quickly set up web apps. I'll show you how easy it is. Let's paste in the prompt we just created and hit generate. We've got the core of our website up and running. Let's preview our new website. Guys, just look at this. The website actually turned out beautifully, clean and simple. First, let's test the image to PDF feature. Look at that, it works perfectly. Now let's try the Merge PDFs feature. Yep, that works too. Super easy. And last but not least, the split PDF feature. Let's see how it does with a document. Sure, the Add Page button is a little buggy right now, but hey, we'll fix that later. The important thing is, everything else works great, and we built it with just one prompt. And just like that, with just one prompt, we built an entire website. Crazy, right? But this is just the beginning. We can add way more features and even monetize it with AdSense. So if you want to see a part 2, where we add more features and actually publish the site live to the world, then don't forget to like, comment, and of course, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.